Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to do a very quick hairstyle with this beach waver. You can get this at Target. It is the Bedhead TJ brand. And there is a open and lock button right here. So what you're going to do first is open it after you have turned on the heat. And this is really quick, so you don't even really have to section off too much. But what I like to do is to take vertical sections throughout the head, and this will just lay so much more natural. So you can hold this for like anywhere, I would say from like 5 to 10 seconds. And just come down the hair shaft like so. So if you take thicker sections, you're gonna get more of like a loose wave. If you take thinner sections, you're gonna get a little bit tighter, depending on how long you're holding it there. You just want to make sure you're moving it consistently through the hair. So I tend to do it like a little bit looser from my ear connection back, and then from ear connection forward. I will take a little bit smaller sections. I still take thick sections, but thinner than the previous sections. And I will sometimes hold it for just a little bit longer to give it some more body and volume. So once you get here, I tend to separate about right here where my part is, but I'm still going to be taking these vertical sections. So this works great with or without sections, but it's a nice way to get a different type of wave without having to put a whole lot of effort. And it is really quick. I think I'm going on like 2 minutes of doing this, and I'm almost halfway done with my hair. Okay, so that's that. Just for like a nice, loose, beachy wave. And I'm gonna take where I typically part. I'm gonna brush this back. I'm just going to continue on with the vertical sections. And if you want a little bit more volume, you can go closer to the root, but if you don't want a ton of wave up there, start more towards the mid shaft where I am right now. Look at that, almost done. And this side is where I part my hair, so my part is a little bit deeper, and there's more hair on this side compared to the other side, so the other side is going to go much more quickly. I feel like I'm like a scene kid right now. Does anybody remember that? Those days? Okay, that's the last piece. So because this is, you know, the front face framing, I'm going to divide this again like so. I'm not really going to take that into a vertical section. I'm just going to leave it the horizontal section. Yeah, I'm going to bring this over. Look at that. This compared to this. And I wouldn't leave your hair, or I wouldn't perfectly straighten your hair. So sometimes I will wash my hair, let it air dry, have a ton of wave in my hair, and I will just go in and like touch some pieces up to kind of match my wave. And so we're gonna start on this side. But I mean, definitely play around with it. You can get a lot of different pretty waves with this. And like I said, this is at Target. I think it was like $24, $27. So really inexpensive. It's not going to break the bank, but just something fun and different. Almost done. We're going on about 5 minutes. I don't know about you, but I'm all about low maintenance hair, low maintenance makeup. Also, so this is freshly washed. I just washed my hair. When your hair is like a little bit more gritty and dirty, it's really nice to use this because it gets even more volume. Last section, I'm going to divide this into two. I'm going to leave this horizontal just because there is less hair on this side because my part's so deep. Or vertical. I'm not going to take horizontal partings, sorry. Vertical partings leaves more natural on the round of the head. Whether you're straightening it, blowing it out, or curling it with a wand or a flat iron or a curling iron. Now that this is done, you can shake it out a little bit after it's cool, but what I'm actually going to do is I'm going to add a little bit of mousse. I'm going to use the hairstyle. I'm just going to do a tiny bit, about that much. I'm going to emulsify it on my hands. I'm going to flip my head over, and I'm just going to put this in my crown area to give like a little bit more volume, and then I'm just going to use my hands like this for praying hands going down. Flip back over, and there you go. You got that perfect beachy hair without having to do a whole lot. Like I said, this works great with dirty hair as well. It's one of my favorite tools right now, but definitely go get it. It's at Target. I think I saw online that it might be at Walgreens as well, but if you're looking for something new for your hair, even if you have fine hair, I would recommend using it at a lower setting if you have fine hair, if you are going to be moving a little bit slower. So it does have a heat setting, it has high or low, and you can adjust this with this knob. After you're done, make sure you turn it off, of course, and then lock it, and you're good to go. So this will actually stay in my hair until I wash it. But try it out, let me know how you like it.